Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth problem in Windows 10 in your Lenovo laptop, and this method is working on Windows 11 also. So first you need to go to the taskbar in icons here. Simply tap on it. So you have to find Bluetooth is turned on or turn off. You can see it is turned off. You have to simply tap on it, then it will be turned on. Now try connect your device with the laptop. Alternatively, you can try go to start menu, go to setting. In the left side menu, select the Bluetooth and devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on like this. If it is turned off, you have to turn it on. On some of the Lenovo laptops has physical Bluetooth switch on key like function 5 or function 4. Make sure it is enabled. So the next method is you have to again go to start menu, go to setting, go to Bluetooth and other devices. If you see already paired devices from here, simply tap on it and remove device from your computer. Then after try to repair again using tap on add device, because some of the devices will be causing problems after some of the time. So you have to remove those devices and try to again add device on your computer. The next method is you have to go to setting again, then after select the system option, scroll down and tap on troubleshoot option and tap on other troubleshooters. Find the Bluetooth and tap on run icon. It will run the Bluetooth related troubleshoot. If it is find any kind of issue on your Bluetooth drivers, it will be fixed for you. Try to go with the on-screen instruction to fix your issues. So the next method is you have to update the Windows Bluetooth drivers. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on Bluetooth option, select your Bluetooth driver, right click on it, tap on update driver. Tap on search automatically for drivers. If it says it is already installed, simply go back, select the second option, select this one, select your already existing driver, tap on next. If that also not working, again right click on it, go to properties, go to drivers tab. So you have to uninstall device, then after restart your computer. If your computer has Lenovo Vantage app, open Lenovo Vantage application, then after go to system update, check for updates, install any available Bluetooth driver updates. The next method is you have to check the Bluetooth services. To do that, press the Windows and R on your keyboard. It will be open run. Then after type services.msc like this, tap on OK. Find Bluetooth support services in this services menu. You can see it is right here. Double tap on it. Make sure to start up type as automatic like this. Then after make sure it is running. If it is stopped, you have to start it again. Now it is running, it's okay. Then after tap on apply and tap on OK. And again you need to find Bluetooth audio gateway service. Scroll down and you can see it is right here. Right click on it, go to properties, make sure it's start type as automatic also. Then after apply and OK. Then close this one. So these are the methods you can try to fix your Bluetooth related issues on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 Lenovo laptop. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.